One, two, three.
Hi,
hey guys! It's time for Fabfitfun
Summer edition.
It's been a minute since we have been here, so we are here to bring you this colorful Fabfitfun box.
Yeah, I like the box.
Yes.
It's nice and colorful for summer.
As it should be, right? If it's been a while or if you're new to my channel, this is Brooke.
Hi.
She is my 13-year-old daughter who hasn't been on my channel in a while. She's very busy. So we're doing a couple of unboxings today. I guess it's a marathon unboxing day for us. We're going to get started with this one, and then I'm going to have a BoxyCharm
and Derm Store.
Yes. I don't know when they're going up.
But they'll be up.
That's right. So let's get started with the Fabfitfun. This is a quarterly subscription box. It's our favorite because...
oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
And next box will be the 1-year mark for our...
Really?
Yeah, we started with fall.
I did not know that. Okay.
This is our 3rd box that we've done.
Are you sure we haven't done two? I feel like I've gotten a summer box before with the beach towel in it. I did last year. Are you sure this isn't our 2nd year?
What?
This will be my 2nd year on YouTube.
Are you sure?
Yeah, remember I got that beach towel thingy last year? That round?
No, we did not start this when I was in 5th grade.
We're gonna have to figure that out.
It's definitely 1 year. Remember the fall one was the one you color in the box?
I think that was 2 years ago.
It was not 2 years ago. It was 2 years ago. Dang it. Because I remember wearing that pink shirt for the winter one, and that wasn't.
Well, pretending none of that ever happened. Okay, go ahead.
And next box will be the 2-year mark of the Fabfitfun boxes.
I cut the tape because I do that just to make it easier and less loud on camera as I open the box all loud. Okay, so, ooh, the inside's all pretty too. Look at that. Look
It looks more blue on camera.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
We have some weird lighting right now though because it's the end of the day. Look at what the sun's doing back there. Looks pretty cool.
Okay, this is a little magazine with the products.
I do always have a link below for you guys if you are interested in signing up for Fabfitfun because, like I said, it's our favorite. I know it's only once a quarter and it is a little bit more than other boxes, but again, you get a lot of stuff. It's all full size. It's a bunch of different types, and it is, what, $49.95, I think? But again, I mean, it's once a quarter. It's not like you're paying that every month.
Yeah.
And you can do it yearly too.
All right, let's start with this.
Seeing a lot of good stuff in here.
I'm seeing a lot of skincare. Okay, first thing is this SPF 50 Classic Face Sport Kula Classic Sunscreen.
I'm a big fan of Kula because they have great SPF products. So this is not just like mom skincare. This is SPF skincare that we all need. So she's going to take that out, and I'll look at what it says in the magazine while she's taking that out. So this just says it's Sport White Tea Moisturizer. It's an 80-minute water-resistant formula with 70% organic ingredients. So you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun. I like that. We all could use this product. This retails for $32. So that's a pretty awesome product. So you're almost paying for your box with that product. And they do sell Kula at Sephora. So, okay.
Okay. Next, let's do this. Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel Cream Exfoliator.
That says it's a rinse-off cream made with papaya, milk protein, vitamin E that leaves your skin soft. Why can't I talk? That leaves your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. It says apply this peel to clean, towel-dried skin. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and it will feel like a heavy cream, not like a standard mask, and then you rinse it off with lukewarm water. So that is skincare.
Okay.
The box is not all skincare.
Wait, did you say how much it is?
Oh, no, I did not. It is $45 is how much that retails for. I've heard of Elemis, but I've never tried anything by Elemis. Are you smiling at yourself?
No, it's smiling at the camera.
It looked cute.
Next thing is this.
Are you pulling out all the skincare on purpose?
I'm saving the fun stuff for last.
Okay.
Next is this Vasanti Brightened Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator Exfoliating Cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe.
It says that you can use that 3 to 5 times a week and it removes dead skin. I'm having problems with the English language today.
Magazine.
You don't though. You have
No,
the product.
This is why I usually have
Oh, you wanted the products today.
I know.
So it removes dead skin cells to reveal a smooth, even complexion. You can use it 3 to 5 times a week. And done.
Yay.
Okay, moving on. Well, this is a fancy purple box.
This is an Aromatherapy Associates London De-Stress Muscle Gel. This is perfect for me because I'm always really sore from dance, so I can use this.
Oh, I was able to select this product, and I did that because of you.
Aww.
Because I love
Yeah,
you.
I'm actually really sore today, so maybe I can put some of this on today. I don't like the smell, but
It's
I
very
wouldn't
herbal.
expect it to smell good.
Right. Herbal muscle
see.
gels don't typically smell good.
I want to see if it like burns or whatever.
It says that it's supposed to instantly cool aches and soothe tired muscles over time.
Over time.
I knew that was going to happen. And it says you use it at your desk to relieve neck stiffness and tension headaches. I'm sorry, you have to use it at your desk only. Okay, all right, so we'll try that out and let you know how it goes. It does have a very herbal scent to it. It also says it's got rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger.
I can smell the
lemon.
rosemary.
I smell the lavender.
Oh yeah, and the lavender.
Pier 1 Imports.
It says Pier 1. That's all it says on the outside. Oh, how cute.
Ooh.
It's a little, let me take it out. The packaging.
That's really cute.
It's a little marble dish.
It is. It's a marble ring dish. It's the perfect catch-all for rings, keys, or loose change in a timeless marble design with gold trim that will glam up any part of the home.
I love this.
It also says you can place it near the kitchen sink to hold your rings. It is $14.99. Oh, and that muscle gel retails for $39. I think that's all the prices.
I like that.
That's really pretty.
I have no idea what this is. It's in a little cloth.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, you have this.
I have the bigger one of that.
It's a Foreo. It looks like it connects to your phone. Get smart about your skin. Measures skin moisture. Customizes cleansing routine. Reveals skin age. And the app records progress. So that's cool.
It's the Foreo Luna Fofo, and this is their exclusive launch. It says right there.
Wow.
It says, guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. This retails for $89.
Wow.
That is pretty cool. Now, I have the Foreo Luna Mini 2, or the original, I can't remember. And I love it. I have very sensitive skin. I don't like the brush type exfoliators because they really irritate my skin. This device I love. And I like that it's small because it seems like it's good for travel. This is smaller than the one that I have. Yay! Excited.
I just wish it wasn't black.
I know, I like the fun colors better. I wonder if other people got fun colors. I haven't watched.
Maybe.
Probably. We always get the grays and the blacks.
I know, we do. Fabfitfun, if you're watching this, give us some fun colors.
Fun colors. We like fun colors, bright colors.
Next is a Tartist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette.
And it says that I was supposed to get to pick this, but I don't remember picking this, and I think I am select.
Ooh, it opens like fancy. Oh, let me just make sure nothing's gonna fall out.
So this is 6 pigmented powder and cream shades to create glowing and chiseled looks that will take you from day to night. You can use the shades to contour, oh, smell it from here, to contour, fill in your brows, or as shimmery shadows.
Oh,
this has been around for a little while. You've got creams and powders in there, and it's got that classic tart smell to it.
I like that.
I feel like you're gonna take that, aren't you?
I need a new highlighter.
He needs a new highlighter.
Well,
it's really pretty. She's gonna swatch it for us while I talk about, why is there a straw in here? This straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. They usually have some kind of a charity in here, and that looks like this is the charity. Raising awareness for the Wildlife Conservation Society. So this says a plastic straw has a lot more impact than you'd think. So that's what the charity is. So just to let you guys know. So this is a makeup case. Look how pretty and bright and colorful that is. Do you need a makeup case? No. This retails for $58, and this is by Yumi Kim, and it's got 2 separate compartments, this bottom compartment and then a top compartment.
well, I don't have any cases that are like organized.
As well.
They're all just like one big thing.
So you can put your brushes and stuff up here. And what's that in there? Enjoy $50 off of your first purchase of $200 from Yumi Kim. Her stuff must be pretty expensive.
Yeah.
You want to show the swatches of the Tarte?
Yeah.
So we're going to have to insert the swatches of the Tarte because they are swatched on an area of her arm that she can't quite contort to fit on the screen.
You can kind of see.
But it looks really nice. So that is everything that is in the Fabfitfun box. And it says this month that the total value, depending on the selections, retails from $321.99 to $367.99. So you definitely get a lot for your money for what you pay. I mean, you get full-size products, name brand products, premium products. I have always been very happy with it. We tend to share what's in this box between the two of us, and it works out really well. And I've actually given some of the items as gifts for people that you know, might need some of the products more than I do. Like, I don't think either one of us really needs this makeup bag right now, but somebody we know might, you know, things like that. So that is it for the Fabfitfun box. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next unboxing video. Stay tuned for that. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.